At EOS, we are building the future of energy. We manufacture zinc-based batteries that power long-duration energy storage, and we do it right here in the U.S. We have seen a lot of changes in the manufacturing space with the introduction of new technology. We've seen increased focus on robotics, on automation. The apprenticeship program at Armline is one path to give our employees the necessary skills, knowledge, and abilities to work and thrive in this new environment.
They came to me and said, hey, I really think it would be a good idea for you to join this program. And I was like, what you mean it'd be a good idea for me? Because they like the way you are here, so ambitious, always trying to learn more things. They said, we'll think this will be a good step for you in the company. I was like, I don't know. Going back to school, I did my 12 already. So now I was like, you know what? Let's do it. I said, I'll do it. That'd be something for I could show my kids, me going back to school, show my kids that it's possible to do whatever you want, as long as you put your mind to it.
It definitely has an impact on retention. Anytime you invest in people, it's going to make a difference. So they feel like more engaged, they feel ready to lean in. We've definitely seen better retention numbers from the participants in the program when compared to the workforce without the program. And I think also importantly to us, it gives us a chance to grow into the career path. We've seen several participants move out of their roles into roles with increased responsibility and leadership in the company as they continue to grow, and that's important.
Now I'm a production coordinator. I got a computer, I gotta write emails, I gotta answer into the chat. So I would definitely say that communication in his language class was one of the biggest courses that helped me get better in the situation I'm in now as being a production coordinator and as me pushing forward to try to become a supervisor here at EOS.
I think for the participants, it's really a chance to learn new skills, skills they need in the new environment. And really it's a chance to take what they learn in the classroom and apply it on the job. So it's less about theory, it's more about, I can see how this applies to what I do. It makes it more relevant and engaging. In a lot of cases, they're getting college credits for this training, an opportunity to springboard into further education. From a company perspective, it's a engaged and educated workforce that's ready to lean in and grow.
The type of training and experience I gained through this program has been blueprint reading. I understand blueprints now. I know how to read them. Electrical knowledge. I know why I'm wiring something, where it's going, and what path it's going to take when I'm wiring it. I didn't know those things before. I had a really good mentor from my program. He was an engineer here, and he spoke to me on the phone a lot. He encouraged me. He kept asking me things that I wanted to learn in the warehouse, and he would take me to different places so that I could see what I would be learning before I actually engaged in it. It's opened my eyes to a future that I didn't know that I could even have.
The apprenticeship program was the one that gave me the tools to help me achieve where I'm at now. So like I said, the leadership program, the blueprint class, the electrical class, math class, just give you the skills to help you achieve a little bit better goals here in that EOS.
So if you're considering starting an apprenticeship program, the advice I would give to you is if you're already looking into it, do it. The benefits are there. Find a good community partner to help with technical instruction, and don't forget about the on-the-job training component. Provide the apprentices with the framework, the support needed to apply those skills in their day-to-day work and to succeed.